somewhere along the line, you're going to need some information about model railroads, making dioramas, and the best ways to lay out and operate your railroad and display your diorama. We have that information in this website. Plus, there's a lot of information about standard gauge retro trains in Europe, operating narrow gauge railroads, train museums, modeling tips, tricks, and tutorials. We have many model construction tutorials and cheap ways to operate and automate your model railroad without having to use DCC and experience all the problems that come with it. More specifically, if you don't want to spend a lot of money on DCC or get involved in the complexity of DCC, we show you a very simple way around. I live in Warsaw, Poland, where there are several narrow gauge train lines still operating. We have information about how you can enjoy some great scenic rides in some beautiful areas in Poland. We have also some great information about standard gauge train shows that we've attended and that you can attend when you visit Poland. And then, of course, the train museums are fantastic. On the modeling side, I live in a small apartment typical of European living. As such, my layout is on 3 shelves, and many of my dioramas are in a display cabinet. If you don't have much room, but want to make dioramas or have a train layout, that's really my interest, and there's a lot of information here. So come on in and look around and use the search engine to find exactly what you want. If you don't find what you want, contact us and we'll see what we can do about adding that information. And do look at our video playlists. They're great. They're filled with tons of information and valuable information. All the things mentioned in this video are presented in video. The playlist link is below.